You don't know. Bad man.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a vlog. I am going to London for the Chinese New Year parade thing, and I'll be taking you with me to explore. Now I'm just waiting at the bus stop to get the bus. So I'll see you when I get there.
Nash Nash?
Yes, we're going exploring and eat Chinese food. Loads of Chinese.
Woo!
Yes.
Although I hate
Even
Chinese.
Steve hates Chinese. He's such a weirdo. Who hates Chinese?
I wish I could show you my face, but I've got it around my neck, so I can't.
Hey, his body, baby, oh Lord have his mercy. Hey, I say, I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. You a murder me, eh, 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 eh. You a murder me, eh, 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 eh. You a murder, 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 murder me. You a murder, 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 murder me.
Following this big dragon, a yellow dragon.
He's going to trouble this way.
And there's too many people following the same thing, and it's actually distracting because you can't take a clear picture of it or anything.
Oh, his car's not out here tonight. We're just walking in the street.
Yeah, they're not. It's like a carnival, babe. Well, they have trucks, but whatever. I'm gonna go to the front and show you the face. Shall we get the face? Shall we get the face? Come on, babe, walk faster. Okay, we can't. We'll have to miss that one. Whoa, look at those. Look at that student. No, babe, there's that little marquee thing in there.
I feel like I'm watching Britain's Got Talent.
Good luck. Probably jump off or something.
I don't think you can get off.
No, the guy's there to take him off. I don't blame him.
He's shaking a lot.
Well, hey!
Look at what she's doing. Dude, look at all these Chinese stores, babe. Look at this. This is so cute. Oh, look at that one.
What is that?
It's like Chinese doors. You know the geisha?
Can you eat them?
No, it's a geisha, babe.
No, because it's a sweet shop. Isn't it?
Oh, yeah.
So I don't know if you can eat them.
Ooh, I like that. Looks like it's pistachio.
I like the packaging.
That looks like it's pistachio. That is it pistachio? Cookie green tea. Oh, that looks so cute. It's like Chinese desserts. You know, us black people always wanting free stuff.
Eat the broccoli.
I know. That's what I'm saying. Why don't they do this? Oh, look at this
I like
one.
how it's laid out.
Me too, actually. I really like it. It's cute. It's really cute. Okay, let's go. We're looking for sunglasses in H&M. I don't even know where she is now. I'm gone. Oh, look at my outfit. Outfit of the day. And I got my little sunglasses. Oh yes, come, let's be twinning.
I got a tag on. No, that's ugly, man.
Yeah, with the oh, you don't like them?
They're like small.
No, baby, I like them. I'm looking at shoes. Oh, I do like those.
Little arms.
I do. It's me and my boo time. We're best friend time. Yeah.
It's been a while, guys.
It's been a while. Because she's so lazy. She don't want to get out of bed. She don't want to do anything. She never wants to go anywhere.
That's correct.
Yeah. So I'm deprived from best friend love. Plus, she has strict parents. That makes it even worse. So no. This hurts your mind.
His body, baby. His body, baby. Oh, oh, na na. Bum 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 boy. Oh, na na. Oh, na na. Bum 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 boy. Oh, na na. Are you feeling my way? Cause I'm feeling your way. So pass up on the family, mama say it's okay. Oh, them up me on surely. Baby, you know it's okay. Nah, nah. You're a pretty fine girl and I'm a pretty fine Winston. Nah, nah. You're a really cool girl, I got a really good kiss. Ha, she feeling my way. She whisper to her friends, say she's feeling my face. Ha, she's feeling my place. She want to be with me.
Not him. Oh my god, look at that. That is so banging. Do you see that, guys? That's boxing, bro.
Yeah, that's sexy, y'all.
Alright, let's go. Let's not be tourists and stare at it. Go in. Look at this. Oh girl, you don't need that.
This is a mirror. Mirror. It's so cute. Naboo. Let's go. Up. Go. Cartier. It's Cartier. Go. Babe, can we go to Gucci and look in Gucci? Gucci gang. Oh, look at the mini collection.
I got the apron thing, bro.
Which one?
The last one.
Ah, that one.
Look at the heels for that.
Ooh, they're cute. They're sexy. Okay, where's this toilet? Fucking hell. There's no sign anywhere.
Yeah.
Hi, this is the Givenchy one. She's wearing boom boom shorts. Ooh, this is cute. That is cute. Oh, I miss coming for research, you know. Look at this jacket. This jacket, babe. Oh my god, this is so cute.
I smell glitter.
This is so cute.
Hey.
Hi.
Look at the last one there.
Oh, that is so cute. I feel like it's very glittery.
It's so like detailing, isn't it?
I know. I love that dress. That one. Yeah.
Oh, yeah,
I love this dress. It's so cool. They're live. They're just live and everything. Look at his shoes. This is life goals. Yes. How much is it? It's not bad, you know. 150.
That's not bad.
That's not bad at all. That is not bad.
I'm just gonna get that.
Look at even the slippers are so cute though. Hey, there's a sale. It's 40% off.
Are you feeling my way? Cause I'm feeling your way. So pass up on it for me, mama say it's okay. Oh, them up me on surely. Baby, you know it's okay. Nah, nah. You're a pretty fine girl and I have a pretty fine waist. Nah, nah. You're a really cool girl, I got a really good taste. Ha, she feeling my way. She whisper to her friends, say she's feeling my face. Ha, she's feeling my place. She want to be with me when she's feeling high rate. Baka chukum baka gini, o so for me pay o kweni chichi. She looking very hot in my yellow Lamborghini. You get the way. Hey, baby carry the go for a bad man. See the way she the roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the blow for a bad man. Baby carry the go for a bad man. See the way she the roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the blow for a bad man. Nah, 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 nah. Ginger me, how they want to ginger me today. Make you ginger me. All the ladies in the house, they want to ginger me today. So I'm here for the girl there. Mr. DJ, play my song. Yeah, I'm chilling with the girl there. And we getting high all night long. Bulaka. She love the bad thing. She hold a bad man. She want the bad thing. I'm all up on her waist when we dancing. She don't care about nobody when we grinding. Make you ginger me. How they want to ginger me today. Make you ginger me. All the ladies in the house, they want to ginger me. Hey, hey, carry they go for a bad man. See the way she they roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby carry they go for a bad man. See the way she they roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby carry they go for a bad man. See the way she they roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby carry they go for a bad man. See the way she they roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Nah, 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 nah.
Okay, I'm coming now.
Let me see your hands in the air. Hey.
Which one? Oh, chocolate fudge. Do you want the chocolate fudge cake? Lola, Lola. I think I want the cheesecake. Now, over there. I always have cupcakes.
Show me which one you have one of these.
Yeah, because I normally have the cupcakes, but I think I want a cheesecake.
Oh, look at
Trophy.
I want the whole of that.
Let's get the whole of that. Sure, I'm joking. That's being so far. We're being
It shakes.
Yeah. Baby, you haven't even looked at the other side. Come and see it. They have loads of stuff here as well. That's pretty. Okay, go back.
No.
Before someone spills our seat. Yeah, I think I want the banoffee mini cheesecake.
And I just want the chocolate fudge.
Chocolate fudge, okay. Babe, you don't want any drink? Like coffee, hot chocolate? No? Water? Look, that's the drink.
I don't know what the hot chocolate is like.
Just to try it, it's nice, I think.
Fine, I'll have hot chocolate.
Hot chocolate. Okay.
Just the normal small size whatever.
Okay.
Regular size.
Alright, cheesecake.
I need sugar.
Yummy.
Bad girl make you wine to the base, nah. That thing where I go feel it, nah. The way you back it up, the way you bust in the place, nah.